Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today we're looking at a specific device, the HP Chromebook 14 laptop, that Model 14 AIM.AD226NR.
Right.
We've got consumer analysis, FAQs, even HP's brand profile to dig into.
A good stack of material.
Yeah. And our mission today isn't just specs. It's really about understanding this idea of calculated compromise.
Exactly.
How can a device like this, which seems pretty basic, offer real long-term value for you? We want to uncover its maybe unexpected strengths and the big trade-offs.
Well, it's interesting you say basic because the HP Chromebook 14, it really is a masterclass in designing to a budget. Its overall score, 68 out of 100.
Sounds kind of low.
It does, but that number reflects a device that's functional, but yeah, heavily compromised. Every cut was intentional, you know?
Okay, so intentionally basic, not just accidentally cheap. My first thought goes to compromises everywhere. But you're hinting at actual strengths.
Oh, definitely. There are a couple of standouts. The first one, and honestly it might be the most practical strength, is the battery life.
Okay. How good are we talking?
We're talking a real-world average, maybe 8 to 10 hours with moderate use.
That's a full day.
Easily a full school or work day. And it has HP Fast Charge, too. Gets you from 0 to 50% in about 45 minutes.
Nice. And that comes from what, the processor and the OS being light?
Exactly. That Intel Celeron N4120 processor is efficient, and Chrome OS, well, it sips power.
Right.
But here's where it gets really interesting for long-term value. Forget the low price for a second, which is often under $230.
Okay.
The killer feature is its auto-update expiration date, the AUE date.
AUE date. What's that mean practically?
It means this Chromebook is guaranteed security and feature updates all the way until June 2029.
Wait, 2029? That's over 7 years of support.
Precisely. For a budget laptop, it's almost unheard of. That's why its bang for buck score is a massive 9.0 out of 10. That changes the whole calculation for you.
Okay, that is a surprising upside. But like you said, calculated compromise means there's a cost somewhere. And I suspect I know where it is.
You probably do. It's the display. No question, this is the biggest weakness.
So what are we looking at?
It's a 14-inch HD screen that's 1366 by 768 pixels.
Which feels
Less sharp than the full HD you're probably used to seeing everywhere now. Text isn't quite as crisp, image is a bit softer. And then there's the brightness, or lack thereof. It's rated around 220, maybe 250 nits max.
Oof, that's dim.
It is. Forget using it comfortably in bright sunlight. Even a bright room can be a challenge. Plus, the color reproduction is limited, only 45% NTSC. Colors look kind of washed out, muted.
So that's the main sacrifice you make for the price and that long AUE date.
That's the core trade-off, absolutely.
Okay, let's talk performance.
Yeah.
It scored 65 out of 100. The processor is that Celeron N4120 with 4 gigs of RAM. Sounds modest.
It is modest, but remember, Chrome OS is very lightweight, so for what it's meant to do, it's actually pretty snappy.
Meaning web browsing, streaming, Google Docs, that kind of thing.
Exactly. Web stuff, Google Workspace, maybe some light streaming. It can even handle, say, a Google Meet call with maybe 20 people and a few tabs open without grinding to a halt.
But definitely not a powerhouse.
Oh, absolutely not. Don't expect smooth, heavy multitasking or running complex Android apps well or any demanding software. It'll struggle.
And storage.
64 gigabytes of eMMC flash storage.
eMMC. That's not an SSD, right?
Correct. Think of it more like a built-in SD card. It makes boot times fast, which is nice, but it's much slower than a proper SSD for reading and writing large files. You'll rely heavily on cloud storage.
Makes sense. How about the build and just like using it day to day?
It's a lightweight plastic body, around 3.24 pounds. Feels sturdy enough for regular use, carrying it around.
And the keyboard. Typing feel okay.
Typing feel is generally all right, yeah. Comfortable enough. But the big drawback, honestly, is the keys themselves. They're these gray keys with gray lettering, low contrast, and crucially, they're not backlit.
So typing in dim light is basically guesswork.
Pretty much. It's surprisingly annoying once the light drops. Definitely a cost-cutting measure there.
Any redeeming features in the design? Ports.
Ports are actually pretty good, quite modern. You get 2 USB Type-C ports.
Nice. Versatile.
Yeah, they handle charging and external displays. Plus 1 traditional USB Type-A and a headphone jack. So connectivity is decent.
Okay, so putting it all together, who is this actually for? You said conditionally recommended.
Right. It's ideal for students, definitely. Or for casual home use, like a secondary computer you keep on the couch.
Maybe for older adults wanting something simple.
Fantastic option for them. Simple, secure, very low maintenance thanks to Chrome OS and that long update guarantee.
But who should steer clear?
Professionals who need specific software? Absolutely not. Serious gamers? No way. Anyone who does a lot of heavy multitasking or needs serious processing power?
So it really comes down to that core question, doesn't it?
It does.
Are you, the potential buyer, willing to live with a distinctly subpar display?
Knowing that you're getting it for an exceptionally low price?
And crucially, getting that guaranteed security and usability all the way to June 2029.
That's the calculation. The HP Chromebook 14A non-02260R is all about that deliberate trade-off. You get incredible long-term value and solid daily usability for basic tasks.
At the direct cost of screen quality.
Exactly.
So here's the final thought we want to leave you with. In a world where tech feels outdated almost the second you buy it, if you could lock in security and updates for over 7 years on a device this affordable, would that peace of mind, that sheer value, make you overlook a screen that's just, something to think about regarding what you truly value in a device?